In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off Ask to Join Network on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using iPhone 12 Pro Max and each time your iPhone keeps asking you to join any available network, you can easily turn off this so that you can make sure your iPhone is safe and secure from joining untrusted network. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, when you want to turn off Join Network on iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 12 Pro, is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. If you're not connected to any Wi-Fi network, you'll not be able to disable or turn off Ask to Join Network on your iPhone 12. Then turn on Wi-Fi. So whether your device is connected to Wi-Fi or not, you just need to make sure you turn on Wi-Fi just like this. So once your Wi-Fi is turned on, come here and click on Ask to Join Networks. Then you have three options available here. Turn off Ask to Join Networks, Notify, and Ask. So in this case, you can just choose Notify or Ask each time. Better still to turn this off, just tap off, and this is going to turn off Ask to Join Network on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.